Hi, how far? Welcome back to the stream, the video. I just want to improve on the last video I made. I rewatched it and looking back at it, I found that a lot of things were wrong with it. So this time I want to try to improve on it and actually take this stream serious. Last time I was still in uni and I had projects and everything, and now I'm done. So I plan on taking YouTube more seriously. So let's get started. Um, just like last time, before you start, if you're new to Python as a whole or programming, you're going to need an IDE. You're going to need an IDE. And the most popular one, at least the most popular one out there is VS Code, Visual Studio Code. And that's one I suggest. You can use yours, but I mean, most people use VS Code because it's simple and it gets the job done. It has these extensions and it runs smoothly with everything, basically everything, or most things, everything I know at least. So let's get started with that. Let me not waste more time. You just search Visual Studio Code or VS Code. It should be the first one to pop up, like here. You would go to download and you should see it here. And it's my cat. And you would click on your OS, Windows, Linux, or Mac. For me, I use Windows, so I would normally click here to download. It should download pretty quickly. That should take a while. And basically, once it's downloaded, you just install it. You should click yes on most things. It should work perfectly by clicking yes on most things. And once you have that installed, you'd have to download Python. You just Google Python and it should be the first thing here. And I guess you should just click download the latest version. That should take you direct. Python 3.14. And then there's even a download. I never knew about this. Python install manager. I think it's best you just install this. I've never used this before. I think it's new to Python. So just install the standalone installer. And for VS Code, let me quickly reinstall that since I already have it installed. It should take a while. I don't know why it's not installing yet. Okay. Yeah, so click accept. I accept the agreement. Yeah, just make sure all of this is ticked. Yeah. Install. And it shouldn't take long to install. Same with Python. Python 3.14. If you could, like, if you want to go an extra step, I'd advise to install 3.8 or 3.12, anything within that range. There are new features that are installed that are brought with every new Python version, and sometimes some versions break some past libraries, so that's why I'd advise to try to go for an older one. But this should work for this tutorial, so just install it. That's just a reminder in case you don't always have to install the latest version. I won't install this because I don't want to change mine. But basically, if I were to install, I'll just click add Python to path. And yeah, use admin privileges. Do you really know? You don't need to click that. Then you can just install. And it should work perfectly fine. Okay. So now I'm going to assume you have VS Code installed at this point. You should just start it. Mine is already set up. As you can see, I have a bunch of icons here at the right hand side. At the left, but yours should be empty. I think just 3 or 4 icons should be here. And the first thing I would want you to do is to install Python's extension. You don't have to do this to run Python programs, but it makes things a lot easier since you can run it through VS Code's debugger instead of having to run through the terminal. So you just search Python. Okay. Yeah, I believe this is it. So for you, it should show install. For me here, it's update because I already have it installed. So just click install and it shouldn't take long to install. And now that we have the two main things installed, let's create a folder where we're going to work. So I'd open your file explorer, or if you're on Mac, the equivalent, and create a folder for that. I'm just going to create one quickly. New folder. Tutorial py, and open it in VS Code. You can just type, I'm sure you can type code here and it should open. Oh, okay. I guess that doesn't work. But if you installed it how I installed mine, you should see the option here. Once you right click, just click open with VS Code and it should open the folder for you. Yeah, trust all.